Why? Because when people don't know, who are busy and who have a problem, they're looking for a solution. And when they start scanning through the page, scanning through the Google, scanning through, services near me, they're looking for the one who is going to solve the most of their needs. You know, if you're on the side of the road, tow companies near me. Joe's towing 24 hours a day. We service all cars. We put them on flatbeds. We don't yank them. Simple, easy, to the point. Open 24 hours a day. Okay, well, what do they do? I have a foreign car. We service all cars. Well, are they gonna hook it up and they're gonna yank it because I don't want them messing up my suspension? We put them all on a flatbed. So now you know everything you need to know. They're a tower. They can tow my car and they're open. Now you hit them with a call to action, and you stand a much better chance of getting a customer. But again, if it's vague and it's not clear and it's not simple and fast and easy to understand, what happens is people scroll on to the next